Alright guys, we're gonna head over to my parents' house. Today we are installing Lewis's coilovers on his Accord V6, the eBay ones, the REV 9s. Quality, baby. So let's head over there and let's get this thing started.
The reason you've never heard of REV 9 is because it's limited stock. It's like privately owned by some factory in China. Probably makes a whole ton of other kinds of coilovers too.
Dude, these are... They'll be good though. There's only... Where's the nicks on them? They were like dinged up.
Yeah, famous last word. Will be good. Right?
There it is, there's one.
Your dad Sharpied this one, so
my dad Sharpied them.
Look at that. Quality packaging.
Quality, baby.
Yeah.
Only the best.
It really doesn't matter.
Alright, making good progress. We already got this off. There we go. We got the fork. This is loose. So all we gotta do is just do the top nuts and pull it out. And the front left is done.
What did you say though?
When I was being serious or no?
No, anyway.
Nothing good. Great. Awesome, great. The Kevins, they've lived a good life.
They did. I mean, they're not dead. He's gonna be for sale, by the way. Like a few months, just in case these REV 9s break. I'll put these back on, so I'm keeping them. Not because I don't trust them.
Alright, let's do the other side and get the front right off. Man, they want you to run this thing slammed.
Yeah, they do. It wouldn't have worked.
That's so eBay of them.
All right, so give me.
You want the jack?
How? So yours is in, right? Let me see.
Mine's in. Like, come look at it.
So if yours is in,
Come look at it and tell me what you think. Everything's bolted in. It's just at the medium. It's at the height, which I don't think your wheels are gonna fit on there.
no. take the wheel off.
That is too low.
Dang, and dude, what if we tried to put it on like that?
Try to put one on like
Let's
that.
raise it all the way back up and then we'll
All right, so they're way too low right now. So we're gonna pop these wheels off and adjust it and try and get it to something that works. Because if you look at the gap on the back, it's not even, it's way bigger. So yeah, let's take these wheels off and do it again 37 times. Hey, you freaking turd. You leaned your wheel on my car, didn't you?
No.
Yes, you did, bro. Yes, you did. Look at it. You were such a turd.
Oh, that wheel.
Yeah, what?
Fine, dude.
What wheel did you think you would? God, dude.
Why is it a big deal?
It's not. Who cares?
That's why I think when I put these on, I remember saying something about, oh, that's so cool, I don't have to do that anymore.
Yeah. So we ran into our first real problem, which is that to get the rears off, you have to take the end links off, but these end links are something. They're not Honda. Or maybe they are, but maybe they're from a different Honda, but there's no...
I put these on.
There's no Allen key hole in the back, so all that happens is the bolt just spins and spins.
Give me an impact gun.
Okay. There's just no angle to get this off. We got it off. That's pretty terrible. So, to get it off, we had to undo this end link. Oh, you can't really see it. We had to undo the end link. There you go. And from here as well, to drop this down, slip it through here, and it finally came out. And yeah, it was terrible. Took forever. So last corner, we got to install this one. The back left, we got to install the back right. Make sure the height is the same. Reinstall his seats. And take this off because he's not running teens anymore.
It rolls.
Yeah, it's not rubbing.
Oh, wait. Definitely grinding.
I wonder what that is. Okay, everybody, it's a couple days later, and basically what happened is that Rev9 made a revision 1 and a revision 2 of their coils for Lewis's Accord, the 03 through 07 Accord. He had revision 1, which was too short, and Rev9 realized the problem. They started making extended shocks, I guess like the bottom part of the shock with the coil where it screws on, the part that goes into the fork. They came out with the second revision that extends them a little bit so that they actually work. So we got those on, and now he's riding about a ½ inch higher in the back, which is perfect, so that all worked out. So overall, yeah, overall Rev9 seems to be holding strong, doing pretty good. Yeah, so we'll see what happens in the future and if they hold up. Thanks so much for checking this video out, guys. I got more stuff coming out soon, so as always, stay tuned, and I'll talk to you soon.